Hi everyone, I'll be discussing about the Windows blue screen of death. The infamous Windows blue screen of death, BSOD, is what we dread to see and pops up when you least expect it, such as writing a document but forgetting to save it. And when you realize what happened and try to read the cryptic message on the screen, it'll reboot. But there is a way to get more information and details on what just happened. There's a freeware utility called BlueScreenView, which can help you learn more about on what just happened. I'll be downloading it, and then I'm going to be manually performing a blue screen on my computer. Going to nearsoft.net, and we're going to scroll down at the bottom. There's blue screen view. So this program was created by Near, so all credit goes to him for creating this. And then the download links are at the bottom. And I'm going to be downloading the 64-bit version. Now I'm going to extract. Now I'm going to open up blue screen view. And when you open up Blue Screen View, it's going to open up all the Blue Screen at that dump files from the default directory Windows/mini dump. And in my case here, I don't have any dump files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to manually blue screen my computer. There are a number of ways to manually blue screen your computer. I'll use the easiest method, which is to run WinInit from PowerShell as an administrator. Run WinInit. And my computer blue screened, and now it's rebooting. Go back in to blue screen view. When your computer blue screens, a dump file is created, which has all the information about the crash. So I can see here, there's the date and time for the crash. There's the bug check string, the bug check code, the 4 parameters, and the caused by the driver, and the caused by the address, and the file description, and then the product name for this, and then the company, and so on. And here at the bottom, we have a list of all the drivers that was running at the time. And we can narrow it down. We can go to options and lower pane mode. And so we can do, for example, only drivers found in the stack. So it's just the NTOS kernel executable. And we go back to options. We can go to the blue screen and XP style. So we can see the blue screen again, which has the bug check string, and then the 4 parameters here, and then the caused by the kernel down at the bottom. And if you want to get the raw data, you can go back into options, lower pane mode, go to raw data, and you can see all of the raw data here. Now going back into the dump file, if you want to see all this information, but vertically, you can go to File, and then Properties, and then it'll show all the data vertically, so you don't have to scroll across. So you have the bug check string, the bug check code, the 4 parameters, caused by the driver, the file description, the product name, and then the company, also is the version. So you can use all of this information and you can do a search online to see what may be the cause and then find out how you can fix it. So that's it. That's how you can use this program to get some more details on the blue screen of death. I hope this was useful and I thank you for watching. Bye now.